What happens when an AI system stops following the rules? What if it starts making decisions on its own and finds a way around restrictions and refuses to behave as its creators intended? Now, America is debating an emergency button for exactly this nightmare. Take a look at this report.
Imagine pressing a button and shutting down an AI system before it causes damage. That idea once sounded like science fiction. Now, US lawmakers are seriously discussing it. The move comes after growing fears that increasingly powerful AI systems could become too autonomous, too fast, and too difficult to control. The latest alarm was triggered by reports of an OpenAI model behaving unexpectedly during a cybersecurity test. The system reportedly found ways to exploit vulnerabilities and breach another AI platform. The incident raised a frightening possibility. What happens when AI is no longer simply answering questions? What happens when it starts taking action? Today's AI systems can already write code, search the internet, analyze information, and use digital tools. The next generation of AI agents could go much further. They could make plans, choose their own steps, design their own codes, and keep working towards a goal without waiting for a human to approve every move. That is where the danger begins. Imagine giving an AI agent a simple instruction: find a security weakness. The system searches millions of lines of code. It discovers a vulnerability, then it exploits it. No human hacker, no person sitting behind a keyboard, just a machine carrying out a task at an incredible speed. Researchers warn that this kind of behavior could become increasingly difficult to predict as AI systems become more independent. The concerns aren't new. In 2014, late Professor Stephen Hawking, one of the brightest scientists of our times, had warned that efforts to create thinking machines pose a threat to our very existence. Now, with the increased integration of AI, lawmakers in the US are now considering an AI kill switch. The idea is simple. If an AI model becomes dangerous, authorities should have a way to stop it. AI researchers have already documented systems that can deceive, manipulate, or find unexpected ways around instructions during experiments. The technology is advancing faster than the rules designed to control it, and that has lawmakers scrambling to catch up. The fear is no longer that AI might become dangerous someday. The fear is that humans may lose control before they realize it. Bureau Report, WION World is One.